Hey guys! Wanna see some magic? Remember, things aren't always what they seem. Let's go! Phew, that was tough. Oh, Tio's working out. I need to impress him. I'll lift this kettlebell. Maybe not. I need a new plan. I know. Yoga. I can't bend that far. That's never gonna work. Maybe I can use that ball. It's not very subtle, but it'll work. Hey, Tio! Ow! What was that for? I just wanted to say hi. Hi. That was it? No flirting? Take that! And that! Good. He's still here. This is my chance. Ooh, that's a deep stretch. Is he looking? Oh, he is. Wow. Elsa's flexible. Hey. I never knew you liked working out. Maybe I could show you some moves. Or we could hang out sometime. I like that. Great. Me too. What about tonight? What the… tonight? I can't. I'm washing my hair. Gotta go. Ugh, so close! Ugh, I hate detention. It's the worst. Look. Exactly. It's so boring. What's going on? I mean, how thick are her glasses? Silence! No talking! Oops. I'll be watching you. Time for a snack. I don't believe it! No snacks in the glass! It's only chips. Kids these days. I need to look at my phone. This is what I'm after. Yes, this is perfect. Tio! No phones! But, hey! That's mine! You're just mean. Yeah, like I care. I need to recenter my chakra. And breathe. Okay, that's better. Maybe I can do some work now. That's it. I have a plan. But I need that hanger. Look over there. Time to get to work. I'll cut the hanger in the middle. Like this. Now I'll remove the hook and open it up. Oh, I get it! Check this out. It's pretty convincing, right? Shh. Miss! Hi! Over here! What is it now? I don't feel so good. Ugh. What the? Do something! I'm getting out of here! And she's gone! It worked? Awesome! Let's get out of here. Ugh, it's empty. I'll keep the bottle for later. Huh? It's stuck. That's better. Oh, look at this. Hey, buddy. Can I have a soda? Do you have any money? Let me check. No, but I can offer you 2 crunchy cockroaches. Ugh, mommy! I mean, gross. Get out of here. Yuck. I just wanted a drink. Hi, any spare change? Can you help me? What am I gonna do? I've got nothing. Just this junk. Not again. Why does this keep happening? Get off me! This is so annoying! Is this some kind of modern art exhibition? This is strange. It won't come off my hand. I love magic. Any more tricks? Whatever. Show me the magic. You mean this? It's blowing my mind. What an entertainer. Take this. That's the best trick I've seen. You deserve something for it. There you go. Oh, you know what? Thanks. Keep it up. It's not a lot, but it's still money. I can get a drink. One soda, please. I want the money first. Boom! There you go. And here's your soda. Wait. If I show you a magic trick, can I have another soda? Why not? I need to focus. Watch this. Whoa! How? I don't understand. Wait a minute. Give me that. I thought that would work. I love these fries. They're so good. Aw, salad? That's boring. Ooh. So tasty. I wish I had fries. Maybe I can take some. Hi. Can I take a— Ow! What was that for? Oh, I know. What is it? Wanna see some magic? I just need this. One ordinary fry. Watch and be amazed. And it's gone! No way! Do it again! This is amazing! Pay attention. Disappeared into thin air. Got it. This was a great idea. Free fries. Woohoo! Honestly, that was great! Aw, I'm out of fries. Looks like the magic show is over. I better go. I wanted to see more magic. Psst. The coast is clear. I can't believe that worked. I'm glad you've got a good aim. We need to do this more often. How did he do that? What a great party! Wow. My first party. This'll be fun. Hey! Wanna dance? No. I'm good. Oh, I'll be over here in case you change your mind. This is great, guys! I hope this never ends. Hey bro, having a good time? I was. Good chat. Nice dancing! This isn't as fun as I thought. I'm so thirsty. Dancing's hard work. Just give me a minute. Okay, let's party! I know what to do! First I need this bowl of ice. This is gonna be so good. I'll pour the ice into this other bowl. Oh, I need to be quick. Huh? There's no ice! Hey, come see this! Where did it go? What the… Yoo-hoo! Look what I have! He has the ice! Hand it over! This cocktail shaker is empty, right? I'll pour some water into it, then give it a shake. The water turns into ice. Wow! Oh, I'll be right back. I'll let you into a secret. First, you need a sponge. Put it into the bottom of the cocktail like this. Then add ice. Next, pour in a splash of water. And give it a shake. And you just need to tip out the ice. The sponge will absorb the water. It's that easy. Woohoo! I knew that would work. Oh, here he comes! Welcome home, honey! Aw, I just wanted a hug. Oh, I really need to pee. Tio, are you in there? Yeah, just a minute. Tio, hurry! Tio, I'm desperate! It's all yours. Oh, I'm sick of that phone. A nice, nutritious meal. Seen it. He's always on that phone. It's ridiculous. Ugh, I can't open this. Tio. Huh? What was that? Probably nothing. That's it! I need to do something. Let me see. Oh, this looks interesting. This will teach him a lesson. I'm going to enjoy this. I need this soda bottle. I'll empty it out. Okay, now for the next part. I need to make a cut in the side of the bottle. It just needs to be a thin slit. That should do it, and I'll remove the label. Huh? What the? You're never off that phone. Maybe this will stop it. What are you doing? No way! Whoa, Mom! So cool! Anyway. You're kidding me! Do you believe in magic? What was your favorite trick? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.